Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if applications appear to be randomly opening when you select the keys on your keyboard. So perhaps you don't actually have like a keyboard shortcut for an application, but you just tap random keys and you notice that different programs seem to be opening up. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And there's going to be a couple different workarounds I'm going to show in this tutorial. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Additional Troubleshooters on the right panel here. And then you want to scroll down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems and select Keyboard. Find and fix problems with your computer's keyboard settings, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. So if it did detect anything, just follow along with the on-screen prompts. However, if you're still having a problem, you can click this back arrow up here at the top, select the Home button, and now you want to go select the Ease of Access tile, so you might have to scroll down a little bit. Again, Ease of Access. Select Keyboard on the left side, so you might have to scroll down underneath Interaction and then select Keyboard. You want to first locate the sticky key section where it says press one key at a time for background shortcuts. Make sure this is turned off. Use toggle keys, make sure this is also turned off. And then finally use filter keys, make sure that is turned off here as well, and they're all toggled to the off position. So once you're done with that, just close out of here. And that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.